This video demonstrates the removal and replacement of an active hinged door handle set from a 250 series active hinged panel. Removal and replacement of the inactive panel handle is similar. Loosen the set screw on one side of the handle. Remove the handle lever. Pull handle levers and spindle together from the other side of the door. Remove screws from the handle escutcheon plate. Remove the handle escutcheon plates. Remove the thumb turn tongue. Insert the thumb turn tongue into the lock with the break-off tab facing the exterior orientation. Position each escutcheon plate onto each side of the panel. The plate with the thumb turn goes on the interior side of the panel. Insert and tighten the two attachment screws. Insert the two-piece spindle into one of the handles. Insert and tighten the set screw with the provided Allen wrench. The set screw must be flush or below the handle surface when fully tightened. Position the bushing over the spindle and against the back of the handle. Position the bushing onto the back of the other handle. Make sure the set screw is inserted. Install the handle onto the panel through the handle hole in the escutcheon plate and up tight against the plate. Position the other handle onto the spindle and make sure both handles are tight against the respective escutcheon plates. Tighten the set screw until it is flush or below the surface of the handle. Close the door panel and lock it to confirm it is working properly.